This is how I just fucking lost again and again and again and again and again. Minus 604 P&L. Get into the day. What were we doing? We were, well, disrespecting bullish and respecting bearish. Well, no, sorry. We were doing that to get down to here, which was CE of this leg. Beverly hit 50% inside of the premium 1 hour and shot up. So what we doing? Continuation longs, baby. We look at this coming into the day, and I see that we have retraced pre-market into, yeah, so we came down into here for London and then New York. Yeah, right. So we were inside of this 15-minute bullish gap. I took a pre-market long and got stopped. So we look at that 15-minute. We've then also got a T inside of this 15-minute gap, and then followed by a 1-minute IFVG. So we enter, stops at the low, which is 50 points, targeting the high. Break even would have been literally right here, so we were pips away from break even. Ended up getting stopped out market open because I held through market open, and then we opened, manipulated into this premium 1 hour down here, which is also in line of the OTE of this gap. Perfectly sweeps 0.6%. Like, that is exactly what I wanted it to do for longs. It's exactly what I wanted it to do. Stopped out this 5-minute intermediate low. What are we looking for? We're looking for 1 minute IFVG. What do we get? 1 minute IFVG. Enter. Fuck off. Am I having 120 point stop loss? I believe I put it there. And then we would have gone break even here. Didn't work. And then we got another 1 minute IFVG, but I scaled down because we came back and hit this order block. I entered off of a 15-second IFVG with stops at the low and then targets in the high. Went break even at this internal high. Or was it the 30-second? It was the 30-second, my mistake. So 30-second and then stops at this candle low. Went break even at this internal high. It ran 59 points. King runs 50 points. And this was like, right, this is a good trade. This is really good. Got stopped out. I'm in such a horrible mindset, but I locked myself out because discipline hurts for an hour. Trading emotionally ruins a lot of progress. We took 2 hours, 1 break even. We are not looking good at all. And then look, comes back, hits break even, and then we get another 30-second RVG, which I don't enter on. No, because look, market opened. ES immediately ripped up way past the initial target, which was this high. ES just fucking ripped straight past it. Why? Not got a fucking clue. But I didn't enter a trade that I think would have ran. See, I need to turn executions on. Can I? Where can I find executions on Top Step X? I don't know. But yeah, it's just, it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Come down, sweep premium 1 hour, come back down, retest. We get an SMT off this low. Yes, just rips. What does that follow? Followed by a 30-second and a 1 minute IFVG. Oh yeah, no, we enter on this one originally, but we are trading into a 5-minute gap. So I still entered this, but I got stopped, so that was a bad trade. But I thought, why would the 5-minute gap even give us that move down? Then we come back down, we come back up, inverse this 1 minute. And I would have got break even because I think this was a break even trade because we hit that wick and then just fucking came back down. Why? It's just, I was looking at some trades. I posted an Instagram video. I was looking at the trades that I used to take when it was going really well. This is different. This feels like it's not my fault, but I don't know whether I'm just using that as an excuse because I'm whinging. But this is really, really starting to get on my nerves now because I feel like I'm getting nowhere. The evals are back in fucking drawdown, for God's sake. Like, we've just had the worst week imaginable. Like, break even. 2 losses yesterday, 3 losses today, and a break even. It says 5 executions because I scaled in after an inverse of a 1 minute. But look, I mean, we've just retapped this 5 minute that we inversed. A 1 minute I for G out of it. You just hold this to the high, break even at this internal high. Stops at this candle low. Is this a fib level? Yep, in between the 0.5 and the 0.6. This is A+. Actually, is there an SMT? No, there's equal lows on ES. Not A+. But see, it's just, I've got the checklist, so I know exactly what I'm looking for. I don't understand what the markets are doing. This just isn't normal. This just is not fucking normal. But I'm glad I'm locked out because like, I can deal with emotions after it. But when you feel like you should hesitate to get out of the markets, like that, I can just leave it. Just leave it. But I just feel defeated. I really do. I really do. It's been no, how many fucking weeks? 3 weeks of just shit. We had the most generational run known to man. And I know I'm going to look back on this and go, oh, why did I get so emotional? Well, I'm out of the charts. Out of the charts. Thing is, I know I'm going to feel like this for 10 minutes and then be completely fine. So I'm letting myself express those emotions. But it's just really frustrating when I'm trying to make this shit work. And the volatility just messes me up. And I feel like I just take things. I don't know what it is. Like, I was talking to my mate and I was thinking of starting a Trade London session, but I shouldn't have to change my setup and change my structure. I don't know. It's really frustrating because it makes me feel like I'm getting nowhere. But stayed disciplined, stuck to our plan. We tried putting the stops at the low, still got taken out. Didn't even make an SMT, and then it just went the other way. I just feel so tunnel vision, but it for 3 days. We get to come back later, come back on Monday, and try and make this shit better fucking work, bro. I know this shit's gonna work. Oh. There's people out there gambling and passing accounts, and I haven't been on a fucking fund account for 3 weeks. Like, yes, would have taken the break-even point on there. There's a bearish SMT. Really frustrating. It just feels like it moves differently. It feels like something's changed. Just, I don't know. Anyone want to say hello to the vlog? I just realised you're not a streamer. We're doing the trade recap. and we had a losing day, and I'm whinging about it. So would have got stopped out. Pretty much an A+ setup. Actually, probably would have gone break even after ES took out that high. Still ran not a good day at all. Like, I mean, on the charts, my chess session was brilliant. I recorded a lot for the vlog, but this is like, I'm not risking 5 micros as I normally do. I'm risking like 2 and 3 because of the volatility. I mean, just what the fuck is this, man? What is it? All right, this is a 1 minute candle, right? 71 point fucking wick. How big of a candle is it? 99.75. 1 minute candle. 1 minute candle. I don't understand what I'm doing wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna meditate and read a book and then go about my day because I don't let this affect my day now, which is pretty good. So I'm just gonna be moody for about 10 minutes and then we'll be sorted. So yeah, love you all. Take care of yourself. We'll be back on Monday, but fuck me, something needs to change and I don't know what. So I'll see you later.